There is no denying that accuracy and quality are key challenges pharmaceutical companies face daily. You want to increase productivity but couldn't due to the complexity of processes while maintaining the accuracy of data. So how can you fasten this process while maintaining the quality of product? Introducing ImageProVision's ipvAutoClass software. ipvAutoClass is microscopic image analysis system that includes microscope of any make or model, a unique HD camera, and a dedicated software for identification of particles. It is an easy-to-use software providing key features, such as particle size and shape analysis, identification and measurements of particle, morphological details of every particle, identification of agglomeration, auto-scanning of slides, particle classification, and 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. As the ipvAutoClass uses a dedicated particle characterization software with particle size and shape analysis. It gives you more accurate analysis, in just seconds, proving accurate and time efficient, reflecting in your increased productivity. And, as it uses advanced microscopic particle size and shape analysis technique in place of traditional laser diffraction technique, it is also a cost-effective solution for saving your resources. So, let's see how it actually works. Step 1. Take sample of any dosage form, like powder, liquid, cream, injection, etc. Prepare the sample on the glass slide, and place it on the microscope. Step 2. Select appropriate magnification required for analysis. Step 3. Now, ipvAutoClass will automatically take multiple images of different fields of view, through XYZ motorized stage. ipvAutoClass software works through its patented algorithm to generate a histogram, and D10, D50 and D90 graphs are plotted. Each particle gets identified, and further classified as isolated particles, and agglomeration. Whereas, isolated particles are further classified as API, excipient etc. Statistics are calculated in terms of particle count, minimum, and maximum average size of particle. Separate statistics is generated for each type of particle. The output is a well-designed report that provides representative image, histogram, input parameters, particle statistics, distribution values, and morphological details, which contains image of particles, and other morphological parameters. ipvAutoClass software provides user identity, electronic signature, detail audit trails, non-editable reports, data encryption, and data retrieval, complying to all clauses of 21 CFR Part 11. Large numbers of customers across the globe have used and endorsed ipvAutoClass as a complete system for particle size analysis and particle classification. For more information, visit www.imageprovision.com.